Hi, this is George Olney. I'm going to talk to you about approvals inside the system and audit logs. And so I'm going to first start with audit logs. Basically, an audit log tells you when a record was created and any changes that happened to that record. So let's go ahead and save and change the entity contract. And now what you'll note inside my audit log is I'm going to have an entity contract, an original value, and a new value. So that original value is blank, and the new value is 12123. So that's what I typed in, right? So now you'll note this record shows me when I created the transaction and then when I updated it, and actually who created it. That was me as well, but it would be someone else if someone else had created it. And then every time I make a change, right, if I were to make a change to a tolerance and I put in 10%, right, I could save that tolerance, and then again in the audit log I'm going to get an entry that says it updated the tolerance percent from nothing to 10. So it's a very nice way of going back in history and seeing what the audit were. The second thing is approval, right? So transactions can be created, right? And when they're created, they get submitted for approval, then they wait for approval, and then they get approved, and then they get modified again. So those transactions actually follow a nice approval process, and through this approval tab, you can tell where in the process that is. So we have full audit logs everywhere in the system, and we also have approvals in the system. So those are both nice features.